Welcome to a special episode of our nature channel, as we uncover 5 wild places you've never heard of before. Join us as we explore the beauty of these unique destinations and uncover some amazing sights. Our journey starts in the tropical rainforest of the Amazon. Here, you can spot exotic wildlife, take in the beauty of nature's beauty, and discover hidden secrets. Listen to the sounds of nature and the birdsong as you explore this lush environment. Take a look around and discover new creatures and plants that you have never seen before. Then, we dive into the depths of the ocean to uncover a magical underwater archipelago. Here, you can witness unique sea creatures, beautiful coral reefs, and a wide variety of different fish. Marvel at the colorful display of aquatic life and explore the deep waters. We take a hike through the wilderness to discover hidden wonders in a rainforest. Enjoy the fresh air and keep an eye out for different plants and animals. Feel the cool air as you make your way through the thick foliage. Listen to the sounds of nature, and take a break to appreciate the majestic beauty of the forest. Breathtaking views as we travel to the top of a mountain. Take in the panoramic views of the landscape and admire the stunning scenery that surrounds you. Climb up to the peak and see if you can spot any of the rare wildlife that inhabit this region. Finally, we experience breathtaking views as we